In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to concatenate text values using Tableau Public in just 5 minutes. This is a powerful skill to have if you're looking to create more comprehensive and streamlined data visualizations. Concatenating text values lets you combine fields, which can be incredibly useful. Whether you're constructing complex labels, cleaning up your data view, or tailoring the data presentation to better suit your audience's needs. To begin this process, you'll first need to open the Tableau Public app. Ensure that it's properly installed on your computer and the latest version, as updates often contain important new features and fixes. Once you've launched the app, the interface will greet you, offering various options for data connection and visualization creation. Next, you want to access your worksheet. It should load up by default if you have been working on a project. But if not, a simple click from the menu will take you there. This is your main workspace where you will interact with and manipulate your data. Once you are in the worksheet, you'll see several panes, including one where your data is displayed. In this step, you'll work with your data fields, each representing parts of your data set. Now, let's proceed by dragging the product name, product ID, and subcategory fields to the rows shelf. This action sets up the data structure so that you can see each value side by side, allowing an organized layout to apply our concatenations. These fields will serve as the building blocks for your new concatenated field, ensuring your data remains logical and comprehensive. With the fields in place, right-click on the product name in the data pane. Doing this will reveal a context menu that gives you additional options for interacting with the data. From this menu, navigate to Create and select Create Calculated Field. This option is where the magic happens, as it allows you to define how data should be combined and manipulated within the framework of the app. After selecting Create Calculated Field, it's time to name your new field and type in your calculation query. Choose a name that's descriptive to what you're trying to achieve. For instance, something like Product Detail could work if you're combining several identifying features into one field. Input the desired formula using Tableau's syntax to specify how the concatenation should execute. Once you are satisfied, click OK to proceed. Finally, drag this newly created calculated field onto the rows shelf. Your worksheet will update to display the concatenated text. You might notice that some values are slightly obscured due to column width limitations. Adjust the column borders as needed to ensure all data is visible and neatly presented. This step tidies up the visual aspect, allowing you to evaluate your concatenation properly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully concatenated text values in Tableau, enhancing the way your data narratives are communicated. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps bring your data stories to life.